And we are live. This is the repeat of my go live. I can see my face on the screen. So hopefully, okay ang camera ko. Hello mga kakwento, I'm back again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good evening sa Pinas, wherever you are tuning in. For those who will watch, who are watching, or will watch the replay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kape at Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mom of two, and the face behind Life with Lori business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So earlier, there was a problem with I'm not sure if it is StreamYard or Facebook or my signal here. So now, tonight, let's talk about what if this is the break that you've been praying for. So I know some of you have been watching my posts, watching me, watching my posts, my videos, my go lives, maybe for a few weeks or months now, but still wondering if this is the digital business, if this digital business is really for you, di ba? Maybe this is the break that you've been praying for. Let me tell you something interesting. Someone recently asked me, why do I need to pay the 149? Bakit kailangan ko magbayad ng 149? Para malaman ko ano ba yung business. Bakit di mo na lang sabihin sa akin ano ba yung business mo? And I get it. As what Sean Murphy had said, you can Google all the information that you want, but I'm giving you a roadmap to success. So how many people will pay for the roadmap to success? A lot of people, because they know that it works. This isn't about a random information. It is about clarity, mentorship, and seeing it with your own eyes. So you can make an informed decision. Parang kapag manonood ka ng movie, pwede mo sabihin sa akin na, ay, maganda yung movie, or boring yung movie. Pero, di ba, that's your opinion. It's better na panoorin ko para ako mismo, malaman ko if the same ba tayo ng reaction sa movie, same tayo na feel sa movie. It's also like kapag magbasa ako ng libro, pwede kong sabihin sa'yo na, interesting yung book. But how will you know na interesting talaga yung book if ikaw mismo di mo nabasa yung book? Baka based lang yun sa opinion ko, and iba naman yung opinion mo about the book, di ba? So yung 149 USD, parang school fee din yon. If you want to learn something valuable kahit sa school, you need to invest. You need to invest for your school fee. Same with this. But here's the difference. The one-time payment of 149 USD, you have 30 days, a month, to deep dive into this opportunity without pressure. You're not starting the business yet. You're just simply giving yourself permission to explore, to learn about our system, understand how we earn, check out the products and the partnership, join our live calls, and most importantly, see if this aligns with your goal. If it doesn't align with your goal, then you may ask for a refund within 30 days. No questions asked. So walang talo doon. When I started this business 7 months ago, I didn't know what to expect either. I just knew I didn't want to be stuck in the same cycle anymore. So this 149 US dollar, it's not a commitment to run the business. It's a commitment to yourself, to learn, to explore, and to finally see what's possible. Don't keep wondering what if. 'Di ba? What if i-try ko, i-check ko, or what if what? Just jump in, check it out, decide later. Because hesitation won't change your life. Action will. So thank you for spending your time with me again tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. And see you again on my next live for another episode of Kape at Kwento Kwentong Pagbabago. Bring your coffee. Ito na yung Copy ko. In our dreams and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smartly, free, and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more, just message me, send me a message. You can ask me about the business or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com. Good night and God bless us all. Bye.